everyone. Okay, today we are going to start our ninth syllabus, physics. As per our syllabus concern, for physics we have five topics: motion. Second is force and laws of motion. Third, gravitation. Fourth one, work and energy. And fifth one, sound. So for our syllabus we have five topics in physics. If you observe all these topics, you are already familiar with all these basic concepts regarding with the motion, regarding with the force, the gravitations, work, energy, and sound. In your previous classes, in class 7, in class 8. Then what we are going to learn in 9 physics, same topic. So first thing is what I am going to relate, tell these five topics are related to the class 11th physics also. It is the part, it is closely related to the class 11. So I can say that it is the fundamental, basic part that what we are going to learn in physics 9. They are closely related with the 11. So how it? See, up to the class 8 what? You learn all these concepts, you are familiar with the terms associated with motion, force and other part also. That is up in perspective of theoretical way. Then you know that what is the force, how it is going to measure, like that. But we are going to practically use in terms of how they are practically used. That is application based. That I can say that application based. For example, the numerical problems has started from the 9th. As in class 11, if you know this class 11th and 12th, in terms of physics, so many numerical problems are there which start especially class 9. So that is a fundamental base for your higher education. So we can see that in perspective of your higher classes in terms of 11. So for each and every topic, we have a numerical for each and every concepts. For example, here we include the theory plus numerical example. Same for second, third, and all that. And again, if you observe the linking of all these topics, they are related to each other. The motion, after learning the topic motion, the second topic, that is why object get in motion, the cause is what? Force. That is the second part we are going to learn. After that, continue with that force as a gravitation, because gravitation is itself one kind of force. Latter one, work and energy. For doing the work, for applying the work, we need one kind of a force. Without force, work does not work, and for that work we need an energy. And the last topic, that is the sound, which is again I can say that in further sound is one of the form of energy. So that is the linking of these five topics to overall the syllabus of 9th physics. Now that is the overall what introductory part that I have given. Now we are going to start. The first topic is about the motion. So before starting to this topic motion, we should know why we are going to learn this topic as a motion. Why it is important. Basically, as per the physics concern, it comes under the section of kinematics. Under the section of kinematics. The kinematics means here kin means motion and matics means mathematical calculation. So that is about kinematics. That is in further we can study in your higher education. So now let's start with why we learn this topic motion. What is the ultimate aim of that motion, or what are the objective behind we are learn this motion? Where, see, as already I mentioned in the blackboard that the motion of earth around itself, what happens? What happens? That as we know that day and night occurs. Why day and night occurs? If you observe that day and night occurs because of the motion of earth itself. Okay, even what, as we know that the motion of earth around the sun, due to that what happened? The seasons are there, different seasons are there. Again, the motion of planets, they have impact in our solar system. So there are so many things are there. There are so in our nature, due to the motion of any planet, there are so many natural phenomena are there. For example, like a lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, that we can say that Surya Grahan or Chandra Grahan, like that. How they occur? Because of due to the motion in terms of lunar and sun eclipse. The three planets, the earth, moon and sun, they take the motion of in between them, these natural phenomena is going to occur. And so then we are thinking that what kind of that motion is there, whether it is a linear motion or whether it is circular motion, that we will say whenever we start actually that. But these are the some introductory or some application concepts where the motion comes to study the scientist. Why we are going to learn what is the impact of any object. Whenever one of the planet gets in motion, then what is its motion, when in which way it going to occur, whether it is a circular, whether it is a linear. In so many things are there, as we can see in our daily life, the so many things like that, they affect on our daily things, daily applications. So on point of that basis, we are going to learn the motion and the some terms associated with that motion. Whenever any concept comes, there are so many terms are associated with them. What are the basic concepts? So that all the point of view, by considering all that point of view, that is why we learn the motion, the applications where these motions are going to use, the terms associated with that motion, that is very basic concepts which is going to further needed, because in the class 11th and 12th you are in specially physics, you are going to deal 4 to 5 topics that we are going to study about the motion. Right now in the class 9, whatever the topic of motion we are going to learn, that is, it is about a simple linear motion that we are going to learn. In higher classes, you are going to deal with other type of motion like circular motion, rotational motion, oscillation. There are some other types of motions are there. But before that, in the class 9, you have to clear all the basic concepts about the motion. So that is the overall introductory part about the syllabus of 9th physics. What are the topics are there? And again, we know that the 9th, we have a total syllabus, complete syllabus are there. So that is the overall introductory parts about the syllabus and the first topic, that is about motion. Okay, thank you.